What's up, Aditya?
I'm hesitating to start. How to start? You really prepared a bucket list or just things you have in mind to do? ऐसा कुछ है कि सच में एक bucket list बनाया है?
For myself?
Yeah.
I won't say it's a written down bucket list. It's a mental bucket list.
It's there.
Huh. But it is there. Somewhat it is there.
Okay, after you tick one bucket list, it's completed. उसके बाद क्या करते हो? How it feels? The same thing you felt with every tick.
Definitely. Especially with age, I feel your milestones reduce.
Milestone reduced.
Yeah, because जैसे जब अपन बच्चे थे, छोटे थे, स्कूल में थे, every class was our milestone.
Yeah.
So we used to look forward to completing
now
one class.
I'm in 10th.
Now I'm in 10th. Now I'm in 11th. Everything was a milestone, and everything used to feel like an achievement.
Okay.
But as you grow up, those milestones reduce, and you don't feel that fulfillment in every small thing also. So these small bucket lists, I think, help you achieve those.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anything you felt like, should I add in bucket list or not? Like that? Anything?
Yeah, maybe, probably.
Oh, you just dropped, I don't want to do this from the bucket list.
Maybe sometimes your point of view changes with things or time. So
Okay.
then maybe something you might have wanted to try initially or wanted to do initially might not.
What do you want to achieve next in your bucket list?
I think I really need to start traveling. Because I don't travel a lot. I haven't traveled a lot.
You just went for a vacation, kind of.
But it's mostly with
Vacation.
family,
Oh.
within India, within this, within that. But it's not per se destinations that I personally want to go for myself.
So what is the actual definition of traveling for Ruth?
Just exploring new places, trying out new food, to be very
You tried
honest.
that, nah? You tried with your family, friend.
Different areas, different regions,
You
not
tried.
just India.
Okay.
Like I've never been out of India for that matter.
Okay, so traveling is out of India for you.
Not just out of India,
Yeah.
matlab within India also it's traveling only. But again, like I said, that I've done till now. What I would rather put on my bucket list would be something new. Like for example, if I was to put something on my bucket list from India, I'll put east side of India. I've never been to East India.
Okay.
So I would rather like to
You went Hampi?
explore. Hampi I've been.
How is Hampi? Is very different from India.
Very different from here. First feeling over there is just like, okay, where are we? Like, there are really good landscapes over there, different terrains again.
It's good to
over there.
live there.
Living there will again be depend on person to person. If you
What
like
you
a
felt?
quiet life,
What you felt?
then why not? I don't think I would want to live there. I'm more of a mountain come, I don't know, like a very mountain feel sort of a person.
Mountain with river.
Gloomy person I am that way.
Okay, so mountain with river kind of.
Probably, like I it'll be a very hill sort of a picturesque view for me if I were
To live there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ever you been to any solo traveling? कहीं पे? India में
23 I did solo traveling Uttarakhand for 2 months.
2 months solo
I
traveling.
did.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that was the traveling only.
Yeah, that was also traveling. That was my first and only solo travel I did.
23 of age you are saying?
No.
23.
2023.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was good. It was my first ever solo travel. I was very nervous. At one point, I was very bored also because मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा था क्या करना है.
So you were working at that time, work from home?
I
or
was
something?
freelancing that time. I had taken a break from being employed with people. I even did projects up north. I did projects outside of Bangalore. Wherever I was getting a project, I used to just pack my bag and go there. So I liked that
So
freedom.
where you went to Uttarakhand in Mussoorie?
I went
Rishikesh?
quite a few places. Rishikesh, I was there. Rishikesh was actually planned for my birthday. I did river rafting on my birthday there.
I saw.
Yeah.
I saw. Means I also did in Rishikesh only. It was amazing. The best part when you dive in just Ganga and floating like that.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
It's really nice. Now, I was very scared initially because I'm generally scared of water. I don't know how to swim.
Same.
But because of life jackets and also the guides that you have, they make you feel calm. So it was a
I
good
asked them.
experience.
I was thirsty actually. I'm asking for the water. They told this is Ganga. Go and dive and drink.
Yeah, that they are
Oh my
open
God.
about over there.
Amazing.
No, but Rishikesh was a good experience.
Hmm.
Only for the water sports.
Hmm.
Apart from that, I was actually cursing myself कि मैं यहाँ अकेली क्यों पहुँच गई, because I went during the peak season. May
Okay.
is the peak season over
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
And I went because I wanted to do some adventure sport on my birthday.
You May and June.
हाँ,
Peak days.
it was full.
cold place.
पूरा मतलब I even went to Haridwar for that matter. इन दोनों जगहों पे, ऋषिकेश and Haridwar.
So where you stay?
It was only I booked random hostels and things like that, and I did that. But दोनों जगहों पे इतनी भीड़ थी that you could not enjoy what was happening around you.
You are
because-
just with people.
yeah, like I went for aartis over there,
Hmm.
the Ganga Aarti that happens.
Hmm.
A, कुछ दिखा नहीं
Hmm.
क्योंकि इतने लोग थे, and B, जहाँ पे आपको भीड़ धक्का देके लेके जा रहे हैं,
I
आप
think
पहुंच
it's not
जाओगे
a
वहाँ
solo
पे।
traveling then.
हाँ, that was torturous for me. Okay, Haridwar and Rishikesh was torturous for me, but
Yeah.
overall, just my mornings in Rishikesh were very nice. It was very quiet, calm. I took a couple of yoga classes over there
Oh my God.
randomly because I had so much of time in my
Yeah,
hand,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I could plan whatever I could. So mornings and all were nice. The evenings were very chaotic because of the crowd. So it had its moments, but I rather enjoyed places like I went to a place called Ollie, which is called the mini Switzerland of India.
Hmm.
And that was amazing. That was also actually not a planned trip for me. I was going towards the Kedarnath and all that dhams जो है, मेरे को वहाँ जाना था,
Hmm.
but roadblock हो गया, some hailstorm happened,
Yeah,
something
that
happened.
is very common there.
I couldn't go.
Hmm.
वहाँ से आधी रात को U-turn लिया. I was alone with my cab driver.
Hmm.
वहाँ से U-turn लिया and he was just like सबसे पास में ओली है, वहाँ पे रुक सकते हो आप रात में.
Hmm.
So randomly he only got me to a resort. He only showed me
Help
यहाँ
me
रुक
understand.
सकते हो and all of that. But that place turned out to be so nice. Like the resort that he got me, as soon as morning में मैंने अपना balcony door खोला, सामने हिमालयस थे.
Oh my.
And it was like a breathtaking view. Like, and it was again this May and June वाला ही time था.
Hmm.
Where it was so cloudy, raining. It didn't feel as if मैं summer time में आई हूँ वहाँ पे. It just felt as if winters चल रहे हैं.
Yeah, that is the season peak.
Yeah, exactly. Summers तो feel ही नहीं थी वहाँ पे.
First time when I went to Mussoorie. Okay, I saw Himalaya region, white coated mountains.
Yeah.
I was so excited. I was saying, guys, see Himalaya is there.
Right.
And I am with my friends. I saw, oh my god, I am there. Very weird experience. I am in bus actually at that
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
It's called college mates.
Hmm.
I was like that.
Hmm.
I have the image also when I saw first time.
No, it's
Very
very
nice.
pretty, yeah. Uttarakhand for me actually, we've been going to, like Nainital is actually my Nanial.
Hmm.
My Nani is from Uttarakhand.
Hmm.
So I think from 7th standard onwards, I've
Yes,
been
standard,
going to
okay.
Nainital for my 2 months summer break.
Vacation.
Because Rajasthan में गर्मी हो जाती थी,
हाँ.
तो हम लोग सामान पैक करके पहाड़ों में चले जाते थे. So 2 महीने we used to spend in Nainital and we used to come back. But in 23 is when I realized that मैं उत्तराखंड इतना गई हूँ, but I've only seen like these select places
Selected
where my
places,
family used to go.
Hmm.
So that's when I decided I'll travel more around and I'll
Any place you remember that you suggest to, if you're going Uttarakhand, you have to go there. People won't used to go there,
Mhm.
but you have to go like that.
One to definitely Ollie I'm going to
Only
suggest to people. People
yeah.
now do know about it.
Yeah, yeah.
Now people
Something
have started to getting
people
to
don't
know
know.
about it. But earlier it wasn't
Hmm.
that way. Dwara Hut, a lot of people don't know.
Okay.
Dwara Hut is also one of the top sort of like a mountain and sort of a village it is.
Hmm.
And that's also there's not too much to do over there.
Hmm.
Like ऐसा नहीं है कि touristy spots हैं or whatever. But if you want to see a quaint, quiet village mountain life,
Hmm.
that's a very cute. Like it's a complete pine forest.
Hmm.
Like पूरे रास्ते आप जब जाते हो तो you see these coniferous trees and tall trees and it's
Means you mean to
beautiful.
very mountain world, you can see.
I love the mountains. Like mountains से मेरे को ऐसी feeling आती है कि हाँ ये हमारे ancestors हैं.
When you realize that mountain person I am? In school time only?
हाँ, I think yeah, like I said, because during summers we always used to be in the mountains. So
Hmm.
बचपन से ही that connect with the mountains have been there.
Hmm.
And like I was saying, I feel always mountains ko dekh ke ki this is our ancestors. Like they've been here since this earth was
Yeah,
formed. So
yeah,
they
yeah.
have all the stories within them. Like if you could hear the mountains speak,
Yeah.
they would have like a lot of things to say for sure.
There's a lot of things with mountains.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. How's Jodhpur?
Jodhpur is cute. It's nice. It used to be. Now it's turned into a proper city, and
City.
it's developing at a very fast rate.
Hmm.
But till the time I was there, I think it was a छोटू सा टाउन जहाँ
Good
पे
place.
रिटायर होके आप आके रह सकते हो. But yeah,
हाँ.
good for business people. मारवाड़ियों के लिए अच्छा है अपना बिजनेस चलाना है, चलाओ वहाँ पे.
What you felt bad about Jodhpur? Living there means if a kid living in Jodhpur, that is a bad thing.
At least while I don't think it's any more relevant, but at least when I was growing up, it was still a very orthodox society, especially for girls.
Okay.
So growing up in Jodhpur was difficult being a girl because even if like today, if you're sitting like this and talking to each other, people will make out something else out of it. So just to justify people about it used to be a task. Or somebody reaches to my parents or my mother and be
How-
like, "यो आपकी लड़की को यहाँ देखा."
I want
and
to
all
know how
that.
your parents got reacted on that. क्या बोलते थे?
Oh, my mom was always very chill about such things because she always used to say one thing only, that as long as my kids come and tell me things and I know from them firsthand,
Hmm.
I'm not going to trust anyone
Very
else.
nice.
So that is one thing that we kept it very open in our family. Like my mom always told me and my brother both that if you're dating anyone or if you're doing something, if you
Anything.
did something
You're going
wrong or
somewhere.
if somewhere you're going with friends or anything, let me know. Just that much. Like I'm not going to stop you or say no. I will just ask you with whom and where. That's all. Rest, I'm going to trust you that you're not going to do anything wrong there. So that
Okay.
sort of
So your parents
Gave
did
us
arranged
the-
marriage or love marriage?
no arranged it was.
Arranged. Okay.
Yeah, it was arranged marriage.
So this is not a common thing with the Indian parents.
So
I struggled a little.
yeah.
Like
That
my
is
childhood, it was too much. So if you talk about water thing, you're talking I have fear. So if I say my parents, if I ask, I want to go pond to take a bath morning and like that, they will not allow.
okay.
So what I did, I went to pond with my friends. I don't know how to swim. I just jump. One guy saved me. It was like that. No one knows on that day. After that, after a few days, I am doing the same thing. Someone went and told my mom like that. And she had reacted and all. It's simple thing na. They'll shout on me. Nothing else. उसके बाद फिर ना धीरे धीरे चीजें समझ में आई. मेरे को समझ में आई, घर वालों को तो सेम ही था. फिर धीरे धीरे जब कॉलेज के आसपास आना चालू हुआ, they saw me working, studying and all. Then they realized he is doing something good.
Right.
Then I talk about these things. कि अरे नहीं भाई ऐसा नहीं, आप मेरे से पूछो, मैं बता रहा हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Yeah.
तो धीरे धीरे करके सब ठीक हो गया और अभी बहुत अच्छा है. आई एम हैप्पी नाउ.
I
करना
think,
पड़ता है बहुत लोगों
with
को.
age that
पेरेंट्स को भी
parents also start understanding, okay, you, because of course they've also gone through our age. It's not that they've not, and that is why they are scared for us,
Yeah.
because they know very well what all we can get ourselves into, right?
नॉर्मल पीपल क्या करते हैं, ऐसे ही कुछ होता है, फिर मेरे घर वाले नहीं समझते, नहीं समझते तो नहीं समझाऊंगा. Like that.
Exactly.
बट मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं है ना कि मेरे साथ अगर मैं ऐसा किया तो आगे जाके मैं भी ऐसे ही करूंगा,
Yeah.
और मेरे साथ भी मेरा बच्चा ऐसे ही करेगा. तो मैं सोचा नहीं, थोड़ा ठीक है, थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगेगा बात करने में, बट आप करना चाहिए.
Exactly. No, you
That's
have to be open to your parents.
very important.
Very important.
नाउ आई एम फीलिंग इट्स वेरी गुड. आई कैन टॉक एनीथिंग. अगर मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगे मैं बोल दूंगा मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, आज बात मत करिए. बोले
Yeah.
ठीक, कोई बात नहीं, कल बात करते हैं.
Exactly.
पहले
It's
ऐसा नहीं
always
था.
better that way, because then आप भी उनको किसी भी चीज को लेके आप उनके पास जा सकते हो, वो भी आपको किसी भी चीज को लेके आपके पास आ सकते हैं. नहीं तो कितनी बार पेरेंट्स भी इस पोजीशन में हो जाते हैं ना कि हाय बच्चा है, मैं उसको क्यों परेशान
क्या,
करूं.
हाँ सही बात.
But if you come at that same level with them, they also can confide in you and share whatever they've been going through.
Until unless at the end of the day we are team.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Yeah, that's very
हम
true.
लोग एक टीम है. और
Yeah.
क्या मीन्स, कुछ भी हो रहा है कल, अब मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, मैं अपने घर वालों को बताऊंगा, हम लोग बोलेंगे हाँ कल अच्छे से हो जाएगा. That's it.
Exactly.
Nothing else.
I think this was the essence of like our bringing up,
Hmm.
like the way my mom always was this thing, because so I lost my dad when I was very young. I was 9 months old when my dad passed away. So I've technically never seen my dad, or I don't have any memory of him. I've only seen him in pictures or whatever. So while growing up, the only thing that my mom kept telling me and my brother was कि हम ही तीन हैं और हम ही
We are
तीन को
together.
ये दिन मतलब लाइफ निकालनी है, गुजारनी है, तो अपन तीनों के बीच में सीक्रेट्स नहीं होनी चाहिए. लाइक वट एवर इट मे बी, तुम कुछ गलती करके आ गए, कोई बात नहीं, गलतियां हो जाती है, इंसान है, आगे अपन देख लेंगे कैसे करना है, बट मिलके अपन लोग उसको फेस करेंगे. इज ऑल शी एवर टोल्ड अस.
राइट थिंग ना, क्योंकि गलती हो गया तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
एग्जैक्टली.
होने के बाद कुछ नहीं करते. आपको कुछ भी करो, मारो पीटो गाली, तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. जस्ट आप गलती हो गया मतलब आपको कोई सॉल्यूशन निकालना है आगे, और कुछ नहीं.
Yeah.
So I believe in that and it started like that. What is immigration specialist? I want to know.
Immigration specialist. Where did you read that? Did you go and check my
Yeah,
LinkedIn
obviously.
profile? I was working with Wipro in the HR department for their immigration employees. Basically, I was working with the Middle East team. So whoever was traveling Middle East, or whoever was getting appointed at Middle East, or if there were any hiring positions open in Middle East, so that all came under our team's purview. So
Okay.
if arranging for their stays, visas,
my
doing
God.
their shortlisting
Oh my God.
shortlisting of candidates
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
jobs,
yeah.
hiring, recruitment for all of that.
I
Everything
felt
came
it
under.
will be good job. Immigration interesting.
Good होता तो मैं छोड़ती नहीं ना.
कुछ तो अच्छा है उसमें. मेरे को लगा ऐसा.
It was a very monotonous, very desk job sort of a job. अगर कोई 10th
जाओ.
क्लास के बच्चे को भी सिखा के अगर बैठा देता वहाँ, वो आराम से कर
घर से जाओ, 5 लोग को देखो, 4 लोग का ये करो.
Exactly.
बस वही
That was that job. Exactly, that was the job. That's why when I finally realized I am not adding value to anybody's life or my life, is when I took that call कि ये काम नहीं करना मुझे.
BBA करने का जी जॉब मिल जाता है.
हाँ, BBM I did. I got this job. And basically it was an HR related job, right? So any management related job you could
BBA
have
person can
applied
do.
for. Yeah.
अच्छा.
Hmm.
फर्स्ट डे कैसा था विप्रो? और विप्रो कैसे मिला भाई?
Campus placement.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
कौन से कॉलेज में?
Mount Carmel, Bangalore itself.
Hmm.
But
Why you chose Bangalore to come from Jodhpur to here?
यार मुझे ना ऑप्शन नहीं दिया गया था.
घर पे.
हाँ, because भैया was in Bangalore that time.
अच्छा.
So the only option Mama told was, Mama was like, I want you to go out, but I'm very scared to send you out, so you go where Bhaiya is. And luckily Bhaiya was in Bangalore. कहीं और होते तो I think मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आता. But I really like Bangalore. So yeah,
After realizing you feeling that or just went there and means पहुंचने के बाद कुछ दिन रहने के बाद समझ में आया कि बैंगलोर सच में अच्छा था. पहले
कुछ दिन नहीं, कुछ साल बाद समझ आएगी बैंगलोर इज गुड. बिकॉज आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन आई वाज स्टिल अंडर दिस फिक्स कि शुड आई स्टे इन बैंगलोर, शुड आई गो समवेयर एल्स. काफी टाइम तक आई हैड दैट थॉट इन माय हेड, बट ये घर बन गया. आई लाइक दिस सिटी. बाकी सारी cities for some reason I feel are too chaotic, loud, people are angry, there's no
कुछ सेक्टर में कुछ ज्यादा ही डेवलप्ड है या फिर कुछ ज्यादा बेकार
It's
है.
not like
इधर
that
उतना
way.
नहीं है. इधर जो है वो है आईटी सेक्टर, और आईटी सेक्टर विल नॉट अफेक्ट योर लिविंग थिंग्स.
True.
एक्सपेंसिव है ऑब्वियसली.
Yeah.
क्यों नहीं होगा, अच्छा जगह है. और कैसा था फर्स्ट डे ऑफ विप्रो?
First day of Wipro. मतलब that entire feeling of a first job है was of course there.
And it's
कि,
Wipro.
And it was Wipro because initially जब तक मैंने interior design और ये सब नहीं सोचा था, तब तक I always used to tell my mom one day I'm going to work in one of these big companies. Because we used to roam around when I was in college. Mom used to visit us over here, so we used to show them these companies. तो वो बाहर से तो अच्छा ही लगता है ना. But once you go inside, my first day, in fact, I had told this to the people who were joining with me. Couple of them I made friends with. And मैंने उनको सबसे पहले दिन बोला था कि जिस दिन मैं ऐसी रोबोट जैसी दिखने लग गई, मैं छोड़ दूंगी ये कंपनी. And I literally did that. The day I started feeling as if a robot is in my body, like, because I used to just go feed in some things and come back home. Like, there's no thought process to it.
Nothing.
So the day I felt that, I dropped my papers and I was like, I'm out of it. I won't be doing this anymore. So, yeah.
फर्स्ट टाइम में ऐसा बोला था
मैंने लिटरली फर्स्ट डे पे ये बोला था कुछ पे प्रो में, तब हमारी ट्रेनिंग ही चल रही थी एंड आई सॉ द पीपल, दे वर सो रोबोटिक आदि, ओहो
लूप,
मतलब एक लूप में जी रहे हैं एंड वो उन लोगों ने दुनिया भी ऐसी बसाई हुई है विद इन दीज एमएनसीज कि आपको उनसे बाहर भी निकलने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको सब्जी खरीदनी है, सब्जी मिल जाएगी, एटीएम जाना है, एटीएम मिल जाएगा. इतनी बड़ी कैंटीन है, आप कोई भी क्यूजीन बोलो वहां पे उस क्यूजीन का खाना मिल जाएगा. सो यू डोंट हैव टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ द कैंपस.
ओके.
दे हैव अ डॉर्मेट्री, अगर आप थक गए हो, बीमार हो, डॉर्मेट्री में जाके सो जाओ, घर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. दे हैव एवरी फ्रिकिंग फैसिलिटी इनसाइड देयर. सो
एवरी बिग कंपनी हैव दिस,
हाँ,
बिकॉज़ दे डोंट वांट टू गो लेट गो.
Exactly, they want employees to sort of stay there and be in a way just repeat the same thing, right? तो वो ही दिखा था मुझे फर्स्ट डे पे.
What
and I
do
was just
you think means ये करने में EMI का बहुत बड़ा रोल है? What do you think?
EMI का as in?
Means जब से EMI स्टार्ट हुआ है किसी भी चीज में आप EMI में ले सकते हो,
हम्म.
तो बड़ी कंपनीज को बहुत इजी हो गया कोई भी एम्प्लॉय को ऐसे रोल आउट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि पहले एम्प्लॉय EMI नहीं था. वो घर लेना है, आई हैव टू पे फुल, आई हैव टू वेट. सो उन लोग क्या सोचते थे, अभी जॉब कर रहा हूँ, उस साल जॉब करता फिर चेंज करूंगा, ज्यादा पैसा मिलेगा, ऐसे करके पैसा इकट्ठा करके लेते थे. अब क्या हुआ, EMI में लेना है तो यही जॉब में ले लेता हूँ. तो वो जो इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं उसके EMI पे सिंक हो गया, कि डिपेंडेंट हो गया ना मैं. अगर ये कंपनी छोड़ने का भी सोचूंगा तो उतना नहीं सोच पाऊंगा, क्योंकि पहले जॉब चेंज करना मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात थी. अभी तो इजी है. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, EMI बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया यही चीज होगा?
No, but I don't think EMI तो can roll over to the next company also. I don't think so.
No, that time changing company is not possible too much. Means Wipro
Initially,
अभी यहाँ पर
पहले
Wipro
के जमाने में,
हाँ,
if you think, then yeah, changing companies was a task.
EMI started that time, I'm saying.
I don't know. I'm not able to at least relate the two right now.
Yeah.
I'm not able to relate. Maybe because initially also I'm thinking, even if people did have that sort of burden of the EMI or whatever, they used to make sure that they'll leave the first company only when they have an offer with the other company. Never was anybody ever this. At least in the previous generations, people were not that ludicrous that okay, we'll do whatever whenever. I don't think so. No.
Right. But I did like this.
आज के जमाने में
I did like
people did do this कि नहीं अच्छा लगा, एक महीने में कंपनी
चेंज करो. इवन वो जो स्वीट स्पॉट है ना कि एक जगह फिक्स करके जाओ, वो भी मैं नहीं किया. आई वांट टू चेंज, आई जस्ट चेंज लाइक दैट.
नहीं, चेंज ऑफ कोर्स. लाइक व्हेन आई इनिशियली came into the design field, before I stuck to a company, I changed 3 companies. मेरे भी ऐसे ही gaps थे. Like my first company was 8 months or so. The next company was first company was 4 months or so. Next company was 8 months, and the third company was 2 months.
Okay.
And then the fourth company, when I went into, because I liked the company, I liked the environment, everything, I stayed there for 4 years.
Okay.
So it totally depends on whether you're finding that kind of work that you're looking for, whether you're finding the learning curve that you're looking for.
Environment with matters.
Exactly, all of that
So
matters.
how you change from BBA to architecture, interior?
Also, to be very honest, I came to Bangalore to do designing. My entire thought was that.
But BBA की बात करना.
नहीं सुनो तो जरी. बट जो मैंने ये अपने खानदान को बताया कि वो मुझे इंटीरियर डिजाइन करना है एंड ऑल दैट टाइम डिजाइनिंग वाज नॉट वेरी प्रेवलेंट एज अ करियर ऑप्शन, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक इट वाज दिस, आई एम टॉकिंग बैक इन 2010 2011. That's when I came to Bangalore, right? So that time nobody used to look at interior design as a very fruitful profession or something that's going to earn you crazy or anything of that sort. So parents were very clear that इतनी
ये तो
मेहनत
कुछ
करके हम तुम्हें इतना दूर
हम्म।
भेज रहे हैं तो कुछ काम का तो करो.
हम्म.
So that's when I did BBM. But साथ के साथ I did my design as well. But I was just like ये मेरे को मेरे शौक के लिए करना है, ये
So-
मैं आपके लिए कर रही हूँ.
Okay, what you used to do then? एक और कॉलेज था साथ में?
हाँ, I used to go to a separate institute. I used
Oh,
to have my
institute,
morning
okay.
classes. हाँ,
हाँ.
I used to have my early morning classes in that institute, and that institute was very close to my college. So I used to then walk down to my
How
college.
many years you did?
That was a 2-year course. It was a diploma course.
Then?
3-year was my graduation.
Okay.
So yeah, graduation
Then after
complete
diploma
करके-
you felt कि मेरे को और आगे कुछ करना चाहिए उसमें?
But उस टाइम मेरे को डिजाइन में इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ना मैंने ढूंढी ना मेरे को मिली.
उतना लुक आफ्टर नहीं था क्योंकि बीबीए था.
बिकॉज कॉलेज कैंपस
Wipro-
कैंपस
Wipro आ
रिक्रूटमेंट
गया
के
था.
थ्रू विप्रो केम, तो वहीं पे चल दिए सॉर्ट ऑफ हो गया था मेरे लिए.
So 1 year you worked in Wipro, no?
2 years I worked and then I left. 2 years I worked with Wipro.
How was the first year?
First year I would say at least still there was couple of things that I actually learned in Wipro was the professional etiquette that has to be there,
Hmm.
how you talk to your seniors, what is exactly professionalism has been totally
How things
taught
work.
to me Wipro. Huh.
Hmm.
It was taught to me by Wipro, like completely. My mail etiquette. The other day you were asking mail, ChatGPT लिख देगा. मेरी आदत नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे को तो मेल लिखना बहुत पसंद है, लाइक मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. एंड दैट वाज आल्सो समथिंग गिवन टू मी बाय विप्रो
Oh.
बिकॉज़ वहां पे हमें
Oh, that time you started like that.
बिकॉज़
Right, very-
तब कोई ChatGPT नहीं था,
नहीं था,
कुछ नहीं था,
कुछ
हमें
नहीं.
अपने आप लिखना होता था. एंड विप्रो में हमें दिन की 500 या 600 मेल्स आती थी जो हमें पूरे दिन भर में खत्म मतलब पढ़ के खत्म करके रिप्लाई करना होता था.
Hmm.
So that is where that entire thing of mail etiquette also started. So I think my professionalism comes from there.
Hmm.
But I don't think apart from that anything else Wipro taught me.
You enjoyed food.
Food was okay. I was the fattest in my Wipro years because of the food that we got over
Okay.
there.
So you
I was so hungry.
so you used to go for the coaching. Then
Yeah.
you used to go for the Wipro. You have to eat there. Then you used to work.
कोचिंग कौन सा कोचिंग? विप्रो टाइम कोचिंग नहीं था ना. ग्रेजुएशन के साथ
Graduation
only my
के-
design
okay,
got over because
okay.
design was 2-year diploma.
BBA is 3
And
years.
BBM was 3 years.
So 1 year you dropped it, designing. Nothing you are doing.
1
Just to
year
BBA.
बस BBM कंप्लीट किया.
Okay.
एंड उसके बाद भी विप्रो किया. विप्रो 2 साल करने के बाद व्हेन आई मूव टू द ट्राइट मूविंग टू डिजाइन फील्ड इज व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो कि ओ नाउअडेज पीपल वर्क ऑन सॉफ्टवेयर्स बिकॉज हम लोग तो हैंड स्केचेस करते थे.
Oh my God.
तो देन
I
फिर
don't
मैंने
know.
ब्रेक लिया
Yeah.
एंड देन आई वेंट एंड देन आई जॉइंड कोचिंग क्लासेस फॉर SketchUp, 3ds Max.
अच्छा तो
AutoCAD,
विप्रो के टाइम
all
पे
of
था कि
this.
विप्रो के बाद?
विप्रो के बाद.
What you are doing at that time? No company, just study simply.
On विप्रो टाइम तो विप्रो.
विप्रो के बाद you
विप्रो
started.
के
design.
बाद I did this 4 months का these software courses and then I started working. I looked for a job, got a job, started working.
So how was the interview? They asked why Wipro you left and all.
Everywhere till date people ask me that in interview. Where are you coming from? Where are you? Always that's like.
What's
I think
the
that's
first interview? How was the first interview after Wipro?
After it was good. It was a little confusing because I honestly had no idea about the field. I did not even had friends in the field for that matter because मेरे सारे friends या तो management background से थे या IT background से थे. कोई field में वो भी नहीं था.
तो भाई
तो भैया भी IT background ही है.
background,
तो there's nobody. So I was just like what the hell, and I just have one of my aunts who is an interior designer, but वो
Okay.
भी इतने पुराने डिजाइनर है, वो भी हैंड स्केचेस करते हैं. तो उनको भी she
मेरे को
doesn't
लगा मैं
know.
किससे बात कर रहा हूँ. अभी तो कुछ देर पहले ही बात हो रहा था कि हम लोग मॉडर्न एज में हैं.
I'm a mix of millennials are always a mix of that, no? But yeah. So first interview, I think I was blank. I just went with the flow. All I understood in all of my experiences with interviews is just be confident. आप बकवास भी कर रहे हो, confidently करके
कॉन्फिडेंस
आओ.
झूठ भी बोल रहे हो
झूठ
कॉन्फिडेंस
भी बोल रहे हो तो confident. कुछ नहीं आता है तो वो भी confidently बता दो नहीं
कि नहीं
आता है
आता,
हमें.
simple.
But we are open to learning it. So I think you just have to be very crystal clear with them and I think it goes on fine. Ma'am, in fact, before I joined that 4-year company, the first 3 companies, it was all random interviews and I was always the first designer who was hired. all the three companies were startups, and after getting hired, when I used to start working, is when I used to ask my seniors कि मेरे को क्यों किया hired, like as a first designer, because even I am a fresher, you hired a fresher.
Okay.
But maybe they saw something during the
So what's
interview.
your job role? First job role? What's the name?
First job role. That was just interior designer, junior designer. Yeah.
So okay, what is designer? I want to know. Is design 2D design or a whole house? Like what is that?
No, I was always into visualization, so 3D designing I was into always. But I've stuck to my.
But you know basics of 2D and all.
2D of course, yeah. अभी इस वाले कंपनी में तो 2D भी कर रही हूँ ना मैं.
You learned within the.
CAD I had learned when I was learning all the softwares. So CAD, 3ds Max, SketchUp, all this I learned together. So I always did have a knowledge of the software, just that in last couple of years I never had the thing to use it because I always had support with all those softwares. So I think उसकी वजह से I had lost the touch. Now that I've started working on it again, it's coming to me slowly. But CAD is a fun software to work on like that, so it's okay.
So according to Ruth, the life with everything, but in repetitive work, is not that good. As interesting, difficult day, difficult persons, right? No,
Because we are creating our own environment, right?
okay.
Why do you have
And,
difficult people?
दूसरे का घर बनाना ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है.
ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट खुद का भी बनाया मैंने, देख लो.
That is there. I'll design my home by myself only. लेकिन हाँ, ये ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. मैं भी सोचता
No,
था.
but it's actually like what I at least personally felt for myself, and when I roam around the city, because I can pinpoint and I can show you where all I've done houses, right? It's my small signature in the city, on the city, right?
Okay.
So that's my
So,
viewpoint of it.
We'll create one here.
I know, right?
And we'll pin.
I know, right?
Yeah,
Why not? Because to be honest, it's been what, like 8 years of work experience in this field, and I've done 100 plus projects in this 8 years. So
You are feeling 8 years is like 2 years in Wipro same.
2 years in Wipro and 8 years of this
हाँ.
are same? No. मैं
How-
8
how
years
it
में
means
यहाँ पे
this?
गिव अप नहीं किया. वहाँ पे मैंने 2 साल में वर्क कर दिया था, ये नहीं कर सकती मैं. वहाँ पे तो 1 साल में
अभी कुछ
इम्पैक्ट.
ज्यादा ही अच्छा लग रहा है. पता ही नहीं चल रहा 8 साल कब चले गए.
हाँ, to be honest with this field, नहीं पता चला, because this field came with its, like, to be honest, if I would have stuck with Wipro, I would have been less stressed out in life, I would have been less answerable to people in life or whatever. It would have
And
been
less
one
creative.
job. Less creative also, of course. Maybe तब मेरा creative side सिर्फ personal ventures में निकलता, not professional ventures में. But definitely this also has its cons, because अब जाके थोड़ा सा life settle हुआ है, because now I'm not the face of a project. But up until this company, I was the face of every project. So I had to uphold everything. I had to be answerable to clients. Even if they're calling middle of the night, I have to pick up and say, okay, we'll do it tomorrow. All that jazz was there. So,
Very nice.
yeah. So that's why I think my couple of initial days in this company, you had asked me that why did I do this shift, right? Because that's what I understood was
I'm very curious person. Sorry, very curious. I want to know things. Really?
No, but this was also, again, I took it in a learning way, that this will also be a learning edge for me. It will also give me that calm and that peace that I'm looking for myself in the personal life, because otherwise my life is very chaotic, very busy, no time, no nothing for anyone. Now at least I can breathe. When I come back home, I have time to myself. I don't have to worry about my phone ringing or anything of that sort. So that's what I got for myself with this job. So that also in itself is an achievement.
Which brand you like? Not in the field of interior designing.
Mhm.
Simply, I want to know which brand you like in the form of any big company. It can be.
And what sort of a brand? Like
You don't like
what sort of?
any brand. Just say I just like one brand. Red Bull I like.
Okay.
Red Bull I like. I like Noise.
Okay.
Noise you had, na?
Noise that.
Real and yeah.
Ha.
Now I like that brand.
What in those brands do you like? What about
Okay,
those brands?
okay. Red Bull, what it sells?
Energy drinks.
Okay.
Hmm.
But if a known person come and talk about what is Red Bull, you'll tell just energy drink.
Mm-mm.
What do you tell?
Gets you wings.
Yeah, that is there. But what it used to do, इतना famous क्यों है वो? I'll ask that only ना, अगर मेरे को नहीं पता तो. Then you have to take a lot of big paragraph that they do flight racing, F1, something, everything.
Yeah.
So if they are not in that only, they are very famous. Everybody knows.
Yeah.
So it's all behind the energy, not behind the drink, behind the name. Red Bull it
Okay.
is. But that's why. And Noise I like. Packaging is amazing. I don't know how they did it. Yeah, I felt in Noise they actually said yes to designer. अपने मन से करो आप. और the person is visualizer, good visualizer.
हाँ.
ये हो सकता है. और कहीं ना कहीं वो देख के समझ में आता है कि वो कुछ रियल दे रहे हैं. कुछ मिलावट नहीं है. पता नहीं ऐसा फील आता है मेरे को.
हाँ.
वो बहुत मुश्किल है क्रिएट करना. You can take any example of any brand जो लगता है ऐसा लेकिन होता नहीं है. जैसे हल्दीराम में भी ना अब उतना ट्रस्ट नहीं है. जो न्यू जनरेशन है नहीं है ट्रस्ट. बट नॉइज को देख के लगता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट आई थिंक इवन इन इंस्टामार्ट एवरीवेयर यू कैन सी यू फील देयर. Try once.
Probably Noise I've tried. I had the earphones of Noise. I had.
Hey, not noise. That noise.
Then which Noise are you talking
I'll cut
about?
this part. Okay. Noise. Noise means that food thing.
Oh, that Noise.
Ah.
That's the CE wala Noise.
Noise. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, but I've never even tried their food thingies.
You saw their template.
But I did.
You
Yeah.
saw your packaging. No.
That way, I like this store that is there on this thing, no? Miniso. I find it cute. Like just the thought. I mean, maybe because it's coming from that part of the world. Just because they are the curators of cute things, they have done that. But Miniso, Chumbak, these are few brands that I'm very loyal to.
Miniso, Uniso, what so like that. Many things are there. I saw.
I know, but they're very cute things. And initially, when they had also started over here, I did not understand their concept. I was just like, what is it? What is the store for? Because when you go inside the store, you get very itsy-bitsy, random knick-knack things. Like, it's not like a niche product
Yeah,
thing.
अगर मेरे को वहाँ जाके पेन लेना है, इतने सारे पेन
You can get pens, you'll get perfumes, you'll get fragrances, you'll get chappal, you'll
What
get
is that shop
bottles, you'll
name?
get everything
What,
over
this is
there.
grocery or what?
It's nothing. That's
Yeah.
what. No, it's not that.
अच्छा है. It's
This-
good brand.
like पहले के टाइम पे एक वो था ना डॉलर स्टोर जो था like $99
हाँ,
store
हाँ,
जो
हाँ,
था.
हाँ, हाँ.
It's somewhat like that they'll have everything that you need and you can just do a random haul. Like it's very cute for gifting people.
Yeah, it's but not for me.
I know.
Personally, not
But
for
मैं
me.
boys के लिए भी वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढ सकती हूँ. I know for a fact.
Yeah. It's a good shop. What to say? Anything else
Yeah.
other than that?
I will show you good things from there also.
Yeah.
Apart from that, I don't know. Yeah. Do I like any? I've actually never thought of brands that I like. This is a good question. I can think of these. What brands do I like?
Even can be clothing brand. I think.
Clothing brand. I'm not much into clothing brands for sure.
Hmm.
Mm-mm.
What do you regret that I was a millennial?
Do I regret whether I'm a
नहीं हाँ
millennial?
यानी कुछ बात है जो अरे ये नहीं होना चाहिए था बाकी सब ठीक है ऐसा कुछ कि मैं पहले पैदा हो गई अब और पहले होना
मेरे को तो
था.
और पहले होना था पैदा. I never wanted to be a 90s kid.
Okay.
I probably wanted to be like a 60s kid.
60s,
Yeah.
50s also.
Maybe, I don't mind. Like, I never wanted to be this
So you
generation.
can't do any kind of this thing. Interior design, you know.
People used to do designing then also.
Yeah, but sketching, not this thing.
Sketching only they used to do, no earlier.
Yeah, sketching only, not this 3D aspects and all.
वो तो सीख लेता है टाइम के साथ. सीखा ना.
But I think अगर वैसा होता तो you would be a owner of a company.
हाँ, then I would probably. इतनी
Owner
बड़ी
of
होती
the
मैं तो शायद
company.
तब तक
Yeah.
तो
अभी ये
कुछ
भी नहीं
करती
होता
थी
फिर.
जिंदगी में.
ये भी नहीं कर पाते हम लोग. नहीं, this is good.
अब तो इसी दुनिया में आई हूँ मैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But I always used to think I wanted to be in a generation where there's no technology, there's no I am very thingy with technology. Like I don't mind it. I'm not all for it also because of the way it's used nowadays. But हाँ मेरे को थोड़ा पुराने जमाने का होना अच्छा
सही
लगता.
है. Music, you like music?
Oh, I love music. My day doesn't start or end with without music.
Okay. So last person I asked one question, I liked it. I don't know he liked it or not. What if you are very happy now? No one is there. I'm also not there. No one is there. Which music you choose to listen?
I listen to a lot of country music. to be
One
very-
music you want to listen now. You become very happy.
like any song if I were to play.
Any.
There's this
Any
song
language.
called Put Your Records On.
Okay. Put on record.
Put Your Records
Who's the
On.
singer or music it is?
It's a lady singer, Corny Bailey, something her name is. But that's one of my most favorite tracks. It's again a country music sort of a track. And for me, that country tunes always fill me up with joy because I'm a very nostalgia wala person. I love to live in nostalgia. So
I think you like the Mr. Bean ka retro cars.
I know, right? If only I get that chotu cute gaadi for me, life is set. सही में मेरी साइज के लिए भी परफेक्ट है और इकलौती हूँ मैं.
Okay, let me know if you need any help to get that. I like it. From anywhere. Yeah. Now, what do you play when you're very sad today? Now you're very sad, no one is there. What?
Oh, I have sad songs also that I
What?
have.
No. See, the last guy answered, I'll play the same song and I'll say.
No. I have songs for everything. Like,
So
I have
what's the one
songs for
song you'll
every
play
mood.
when you are very sad?
Ayo. Like, it's sad also depends on what I'm sad for, to be very honest.
You are sad for the day, just
Like,
not
suppose if I'm
feeling.
missing my mom.
No,
like,
no,
for
no.
example, just
Oh,
I'm
okay,
giving
okay.
an example. I have a song for that also. I have a song that I've dedicated to my mom. I have a song that I've dedicated to my dad. So if I miss my dad, I listen to that song. If I miss my mom, I listen to that
Okay,
song.
day not gone well. अच्छा
Okay.
नहीं रहा आज का दिन.
हाँ.
पता नहीं सब ठीक था, सब ठीक ही हुआ, but फिर भी अच्छा नहीं लगा.
Oh, then I just go for very soothing, calm music. There's this one band called Cigarettes After Sex.
Okay.
They play these very, very, very mellow
I
tunes.
heard one or two songs.
Yeah,
I don't remember, but
that is if I've had a very mellow day, nothing very productive has happened, and I'm just in a daze ki ye kya din tha. So I just come back home, I just play that, and I'll just
you
chill
like
with
to
that.
prepare food?
Oh, I love cooking. Yeah, just that I don't get the time now. But जब तक मैं employed नहीं थी, मैं अपने आप खाना बना के सब कुछ करती थी. Yeah.
अच्छा. Who is your best teacher you feel?
Teacher, as in like
Anyone can be.
my uncle has been a very good teacher to me in my life in general. Uncle is my mother's brother, my mamu. He's one person that I know I can talk to about anything and everything. He is a person who comes down at your level and he talks to you. I think he'll be a perfect audience for this sort of an open table because उनके ऊपर जो question आप throw करो उनके पास answer होता है. So, and he's also of course seen life more than us, so of course he has experienced more. But I think he's been always like he's one person who's always sort of given me that edge. Ki, okay, be
Push.
curious, be always keep asking questions. Always like we both. When I think I was in 8 to 10 standard, we both used to play this game where we both used to come at night and give each other a new word that we have learned so that we improve our English. So these sort of things he's done with me in life. Like we used to play a lot of random games, like these
Till
छोटे
school time?
things.
Till school time.
Because we used to live together till school time. After that, then I came to Bangalore. He was still there. So, but phone pe bhi abhi bhi like whenever he visits me over here, we have great conversations. And he is one person who has always been like, ki jo man kar raha hai, wo like he is one person who still date never asked me when are you gonna get married. Like, in fact, he tells my mom, don't ask her. Usko kahin nahi
He
kar
is
degi.
one of the star in your life.
Definitely. He had like once upon a time I had a very turbulent relationship with him also. Like it took some time for us to come to a place where it was a healthy
Common ground,
relationship.
Something.
Because initially it used to be just me, Mama and Bhaiya who used to live together. Then slowly, whatever things happened in the family or whatever, we all started living together.
Okay.
And that's when suddenly, because when me, Mama and Bhaiya akele rehte the, it used to be more like मम्मा का बैचलर पैड है, 2 बच्चे रहते हैं उनके साथ मस्ती करो. Like it was literally like that. Our childhood was full of fun because mama was very young when she had both of us, right? So when she was my age, I think so, 35, 36 tak she was a widow, and then she had 2 kids. So our house was literally a bachelor pad for her. Like all of her cousins, all her friends used to come over and do masti and all of that. And then suddenly all these elderly people came in our life and we moved into my nani's house.
Oh, okay.
So then mamu, nani, everybody had a say in our
So
life.
just life changed.
हाँ, लाइफ सडनली चेंज. लाइक तब मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम बोला गया था कि लड़कों के साथ नहीं खेलना है. And I was like, क्या मेरे तो सारे दोस्त लड़के हैं, क्योंकि हम जिस बिल्डिंग में रहते थे उसमें टोटल 3 लड़कियां रहती थी मेरी एज की, बाकी सब लड़के थे. तो मैं खेली ही लड़कों के साथ हूँ बचपन से. एंड देन जैसे ही दूसरे घर में गए, फर्स्ट थिंग दैट नानी टोल्ड मी वाज लड़कों के साथ नहीं खेलना है. I was like, ये तो ना हो पाएगा. All my friends are boys and all. So that, I think that
In
shift
which
in
class
life.
you were at that time?
7th or 8th.
Oh भाई.
हाँ, 7th.
तब तो कुछ नहीं सुना.
वही तो ना, टीनेज खून वैसे ही,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
वो तो rebellious ही होता है, right? So those were a little turbulent times where I used to hate my grandmother, I used to hate my uncle, I used to hate everybody. And
लोग रोक रहे हैं मेरे को, खेलने से ही रोक रहे हैं.
I know. And then, but ठीक है, that also took some time. My mom played a huge part in convincing them, telling them how she has brought us up and this is how I want them to be. I don't want any restrictions on them and all of that. So mom did that part on our behalf where she spoke to the family and told her side of the family कि मेरे बच्चे हैं, मेरे को ऐसे ही बड़ा करना है. You have to be supportive. So that's
मजा
it.
आया.
मजा तो हुआ है.
अच्छा था बचपन.
बचपन was amazing. I think मेरे को अभी भी कोई पूछता है ना what were your happiest times, मैं सीधा जोधपुर I think 5th standard तक पहुंच जाती हूँ. That was I think my happiest time. उसके
You are
बाद से
conscious
तो-
at that time. You
Huh?
remember everything.
Not everything I wouldn't say, but I have some core memories of that time which I really hold dear to me. So
Very
yeah.
nice. I don't know
Yeah.
anything. I wanna do thing I don't know anything.
No, I do have quite good memories of that time.
Very nice. जोधपुर मतलब मेरे को राजस्थान सुन के ही 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस याद आता है.
उतना ही होता है वहाँ.
होता है. और ठंडी के टाइम?
ठंडी एकदम एवरीथिंग एक्सट्रीम ओवर देयर बेसिकली.
अच्छा.
हाँ, सर्दी होगी तो एक्सट्रीम, गर्मी होगी तो एक्सट्रीम, एवरीथिंग. सर्दी भी होती है तो इट्स लाइक it hits your bones, like उतना सर्दी होता है वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा.
How's the desert there?
अब तो नाम का डेजर्ट बचा है. पहले तो जोधपुर के बॉर्डर्स में ही डेजर्ट हुआ करता था. नाउ तो there's
No
अब तो
desert.
पूरी सिटीज हो गई है. अब
No desert.
अब only if you go towards Jaisalmer, then that side you will find desert and all.
Desert
And-
is good rainy season.
Desert is good for the pre-winter season, I would say, not even rainy season, like October time.
No.
Now वाला time जो होता है, that's really good, because ना बहुत ठंडा होता है ना बहुत गर्म होता है. It's
Birthday कैसे celebrate करना चाहिए when you're conscious?
birthday कैसे celebrate करना चाहिए?
According to Ruth. Not according to me.
अरे my birthdays have always been controversial, okay, because I am a very indecisive person, okay, like मैं पहले को सोच लूंगी मुझे ये करना है, by the time the time comes and the day comes I'll just be like नहीं ये सब नहीं करना है. I have no clue how birthdays or
नहीं फिर भी कैसा होना
Festival
चाहिए
should
अभी
be.
अभी के हिसाब से. मीन्स आप अगर पहले प्लान कर लेते थे तो प्लान कर लेते थे ना. तो अगर अभी प्लान कर रहे हो तो कैसे होना चाहिए?
अब तो मैं प्लान ही नहीं करती हूँ. अब तो as the day comes I just look into it and do whatever I want. But I think planning is good because of late, like last 2 birthdays, I've been very disappointed with myself. 23, I was very happy because I planned it and I did my solo travel and I did my adventure sports and everything. So I was very happy with myself. So I think I need to do that this 26 में वापस से. 24, 25, I kind of lost touch with that. But I think birthdays should be planned. It should not be spontaneous. Because नहीं होता है. At least I'm not a spontaneous person. मुझसे spontaneity नहीं होती है.
Okay, चलो ये लास्ट मतलब एक कांस्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो मैं सबसे पूछते आया हूँ और आपसे भी पूछ रहा हूँ. You have a time machine ओके, टाइम मशीन है आपके पास, जैसे भी ला लिए
हाँ.
ठीक है. अब टाइम मशीन होने के बाद 3 क्वेश्चंस है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई लास्ट, देन आई विल टेल नेक्स्ट वंस.
Okay.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि with whom you want to work, who is the person that you want to work with. It can be anyone, first architecture in the world, Taj Mahal, anyone.
Yeah.
It's not about architecture even, it can be about anyone with whom you want to work with.
With whom I want to work.
Take your time and think.
Oh my god. With whom I want to work.
It can be a music director, anyone.
You.
Time machine है. I'll read everything.
No, I think then to yeah, definitely architectural only wise I will go back.
With whom?
Or music wise also I can go back.
With whom?
I'm thinking this, no? I'm thinking what way I'm going back. Then I will think with whom I'm going that.
Okay.
But I think no, yeah. I will go back. I would like to work with some musician probably.
And
Like just see that process of that entire how that creation comes into play.
how
Like
he started his journey.
not his journey per se. Like
So-
if you take any musician for that matter, like you take anyone, you take from मेरे को नाम याद नहीं आ रहे लोगों के from
He misses him, yeah.
please no I was not taking the person जो मेरे को नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है उसके गाने चल रहे हैं मेरे दिमाग में but any musician you take you basically they also have of course
So,
their journey but they have their process of creating their this
तो
thing
जो
also
first satisfactory song from them is a journey part. तो अभी वो प्रोफेशन में एकदम अच्छे से तब का देखना है, काम करना है.
no when they started off like
When-
I would say
वो खुद से अकेले बैठ के गाना गा रहा है
हाँ,
और ये
like
कॉलेज में गाना गा रहा है तब.
how it begins in their own personal space.
कौन है
Not
सिंगर?
necessarily.
सिंगर बताओ.
वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ नाम याद नहीं आ रहा फोन
हिंदी-
यहाँ पे.
हिंदी-
No, it's English only. Sun Records. It's a very famous freaking singer. Why am I not remembering? The
Okay.
chain rock guy.
Tell me the just song name and display.
Elvis Presley. Sorry.
Okay. You know about him.
उसके डेब्यू रिकॉर्ड्स का नाम याद आ गया, उसके गाने का नाम याद आ गया, उसका नाम याद नहीं आया. But yeah, so why I would also say because he came from this place where the kind of music that he wanted to do was not prevalent and was looked down upon because it was all the blacks that was doing that kind of music at that time. And he suddenly out of the blue comes, starts recording, gets noticed, starts recording and comes out as a winner and not winner in the first try itself, right?
Obviously, no one
He
is
has that entire journey of his and that, why I always say that मुझे पुराने जमाने का होना था is because that
Of him.
simplicity, no, not of him, the simplicity of things. Even आप Bollywood को भी उठा लो, आप मधुबाला उठा लो, आप किशोर कुमार उठा लो, आप नरगिस उठा लो, आप किसी को भी उठा लो. The simplicity that they used to work with is what really amazes me. Like, they were superstars. They were, I don't know what kind of stars, but the way they used to move, the way they used to talk, the way they used to carry
Personality.
themselves, the personality. There was no hoo-ha about it. कि वो हम stars हैं.
कुछ फेम कुछ
There
ऐसा
was
कुछ था ही
nothing.
नहीं.
I mean, I always love that. The thing that today's world misses is that, like that simplicity, that
The simple-
etiquette, that respect of okay, वो भी एक artist है, मैं भी एक artist हूँ. Hashtag बात वहीं पे रखते हैं. Like क्यों ये ईगो लाना है, क्यों आपने इतने करोड़ की फिल्म करी थी और मैंने इतने करोड़ की फिल्म नहीं ना.
नहीं करना है obviously.
तो-
घर में खाना है.
Exactly. जब तक है तो आप सेम प्लेन पे रह के बात करो. And I feel that this ideology is really missing from today's world. Like people have forgotten that कि
Okay.
सब सेम प्लेन पे है.
तो उसके साथ आपको असिस्टेंट जैसा वर्क करना है और जस्ट
I can be just a fly on the wall. Just
okay just you
just-
want to see how
I
he is
want to
doing.
just experience that.
How he is doing,
yeah.
how he started. Like,
Yeah.
Very nice.
For sure.
So the second question is, to whom you want to replace?
Replace.
I want to be a Lata Mangeshkar. or Nargis or anything. I want to replace
Who I
anyone.
want to replace.
It's not
यार
about
ऐसे तो आए
only-
दिन किसी को replace करने का मन करता है.
नहीं ऐसा कोई म्यूजिक में नहीं, आप किसी में भी कर सकते हो. You
I
can
know.
become a Steve Jobs also.
Yeah, I don't think I want to be Steve Jobs.
Okay.
Who would I want to replace?
think ए इतना इजी रहता तो यहाँ पर थोड़ी बैठते.
ये बात सही है. किसी को तो रिप्लेस कर ही सकती हूँ.
एकदम मन है, अरे यार मैं रहती तो मजा आता.
Whereas when I had seen this documentary on, like I've not read about this lady too much, but I had seen a documentary on RGB, like RBG, the lawyer. Just coincidentally, her name was also Ruth, but she was one of those female lawyers who came and brought about a lot of changes for women in the world. So probably if I was at her place, it would have been, not that I would have done it better, but it would have been a really good
मीन्स
feeling that, oh,
अंदर से
I
लगा
did
होगा.
this.
हाँ.
Like just to be in that place and still move with the grace that she did, still handled the family the way that she did, because she played a huge part in outside world, but she still had a family of her own. Like in those times, she defied that entire thing, और तो घर पे बैठना है वाली चीज, right? So those sort of things.
She's one of the leader of that.
Definitely.
Right.
That way, I would actually like to replace quite a few members of my own family also.
Yeah, go ahead. There's no limitation. One only you can replace.
So I've always idealized two ladies in my house. One was my dadi, my papa's mama. She was a scientist.
Okay.
She her field was zoology.
Zoology, okay.
And she was someone, she never got married in her life. She adopted my dad.
Oh
She
my
was a spinster.
Amazing.
She brought him up by herself, alone. And but
Alone.
she never got married.
Yeah. But some family member, anything?
Nobody.
Oh,
She
alone.
didn't have brothers, sisters, nobody. So that is also actually a very funny story, because technically my dadi's father is the one who adopted my dad, but he passed away very soon after he adopted my dad.
Okay, what's the age of your dadi, bete?
My dadi must have been in college when my dad got adopted.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And soon after he got adopted, he passed away, my dadi's father. So the responsibility of my dad came onto my dadi.
Dadi. And
So then she said, I'm never going to get married. I'm going to bring this kid up, because that was my dad's wish. So she never did. And, but she did wonders for herself, because, of course, not just brought up a child, she brought up an entire philosophy with her. Like, she studied hard. She went out of India. She was in fact a professor in Oklahoma University. My dad, because of her, even though he was adopted in India, he was brought up in America because Dadi took him there.
Now I'm sitting with whom?
So
Very nice to talk. Tell me more. I will take, it's 1 hour approx. But then after you talk.
But yeah, so this is actually my dad and my dadi's story. They were just the two of them in this world. No family
How
member,
did
no
you decide to
nothing.
come back? Why did you decide actually?
My dadi always wanted dad to get married to a Indian ladki. वो था उनका हमेशा से कि
Very nice.
बहू मुझे हिंदुस्तानी चाहिए type.
That's how we
And
did.
I know. So yeah, so because of that only they moved back to India. And my dadi was in fact the person who started Baroda University, Gujarat mein.
Oh.
So she was the longest running dean over there. She was a dean for 17 years in that
In the
university.
field of?
Same, zoology.
Oh.
Yeah. So she had
So-
her own.
You met with him,
Project.
her.
I never met her. I've not met my dad only. She passed away before my dad also.
Oh yeah.
But I've heard her stories, I've read her research papers.
You read
Some
everything.
of her research papers are there
She wrote
online
books
as
also?
well. She didn't write books. My Nana wrote books. My Nana was also a scientist.
Okay. Very
Yeah.
nice.
I actually come from a background of these scientists, professors, nurses, wala family. Nana was also again a scientist. Nana was also in zoology. Nana also traveled a lot. He was a professor in Cambridge University once upon a time. He went to Czechoslovakia. He taught over there also. So he also traveled a lot and all of that. Dadi went to Oxford University to teach. So all of
Very
those sort of backgrounds are there in my family. So,
What
so
your mother did? She is working or
mom was working. Mom was a teacher herself her whole life.
before
Before she retired, yeah, 2020. Before
she was working
because
college
of,
or school?
No, school she was doing, yeah. My mom actually never thought she will work. It's just because my dad passed away untimely is when she was like, okay, ठीक है, now I have to work. So then she did her B.Ed and everything, and then she started working. नहीं तो तब तक उन्होंने B.Ed भी नहीं किया था. But yeah. But so my daddy is, I think, one of the people I really idealize, because for some reason right now, at least in life, I see my trajectory going
Something
in her
is there.
direction.
Something is there in the gene.
I don't want to get married too. I don't mind adopting kids. मैंने मेरी माँ को भी बोल रखा है अभी से कि अगर मैं 40 की हो गई और मैंने नहीं की शादी तो मैं adopt
So
कर
you are
लूँगी
not
बच्चे.
very close to कि मेरे को शादी नहीं करना. ठीक है, अभी नहीं करना है. You are
No, I'm not against the concept of marriage. I would love to get married if I find the right person, but I haven't till now.
So, 2 questions are done, I guess.
Yeah.
Last question is 2 questions are done.
Yeah,
Last,
2 questions are
last is what you gonna do if it's there with you, time machine. Now,
If time machine is there
with you, now, what you want to do?
अरे रे मैं तो चली जाऊंगी past में.
Where,
I
where
do
time? What
not
time?
like this present at all. But yeah, I think I will travel back to the ages I want to be. I really
First,
don't like
where
the
will you?
present.
Where will you go? What time frame you want to go?
I think I'll go to that same time frame, the 50s to 70s wala time frame. I will go back and I will see the
Your daddy.
newly independent India.
Your daddy will be there, na?
Daddy will be there, of course.
You want to meet with her.
Of course, I would love to meet her. I would love to talk to her, understand.
How
what
you will
she's
introduce
saying.
yourself?
I have no idea. Like, I don't know.
First
I
thing,
have
think.
no idea. How will I introduce myself?
Yeah.
Do I really need to introduce myself to my dadi? My dadi should like be like
How?
मेरी offspring है.
How?
Although I'm not her offspring, dad was adopted, but
But you can see your dad is a kid, kind of.
Hmm.
And your dad is there. How you introduce yourself? I want to know. How? Just imagine.
She was such a charismatic personality. I have no idea how I would introduce myself. I don't know. As a kid, though, how do you introduce yourself? Hi, auntie, I'm this. I don't know.
You will say, "अरे मैं वही हूँ."
आपकी परछाई.
Yeah. Because the imagination you have in brain, it's very, very big about it.
Yeah. No, definitely.
Anything,
It is.
anything about present?
Present that I've
From मतलब कुछ आगे जाके देखना है टाइम पे.
like
After 4 years, you want
after
to see.
4 years, if I see today,
You want to see your time machine, bro.
तभी तो मुझे इस वाले टाइम में रहना ही नहीं है. टाइम मशीन है, मैं सीधा उस
पीछे
टाइम पे
जाऊंगी.
पीछे जाऊंगी.
But आगे क्या कुछ करना है? I want to ask.
आगे अगर मैं जाऊंगी तो मैं फिर काफी आगे चली जाऊंगी. I think. नहीं, मेरे को आगे नहीं जाना.
पता भी नहीं करना है शादी हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा
I
है.
don't want to. I'm fine living this, or I want to see this thing. I told you, I live in nostalgia. I don't live in future, whatever. I love the feeling of nostalgia. I love, for that very reason, I love going to historical places and just imagining and picturing क्या क्या हुआ होगा. ओ यहाँ से राजा निकलता था. ओ यहाँ से उसकी रानी निकलती थी. It's just amazing to just stand in a historical place and think
कैसे
of
रहते थे
those.
भाई. कोई लाइट ही नहीं था उनके पास. मसाले जल रही है और कोई भी घर के अंदर आ जाएगा. कुछ भी हो जाएगा.
I really would love to go back to those eras and just see how
और मैं
people used
कुछ
to live.
नहीं किया. किसी से कल झगड़ा हो गया, वो जाके बोल देगा राजा को कि मेरे घर से कुछ कर दिया, मार के चले गए. मैं क्या बोलूं? What if I am introvert person and मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाया?
I think that used to happen to people back then.
क्या फालतू का 100 कोड़े खा के चले गए.
But I said those will be amazing. Like because I'm from Rajasthan and Rajasthan में कितने forts
बहुत
हैं.
सारे फोर्ट है, that's why.
Forts, palaces, things.
बहुत famous
As
है.
a kid also I used to love going to those places and just listening to the
Yeah.
guides telling all the stories of those
Guides, I
places.
can't trust, but
You can trust but ठीक है,
But
बचपन
कुछ
में
तो
जब आप
बता रहे
जाते
हैं.
हैं तो
कुछ
वही सुनने को
50%
मिलता है,
भी
right?
कुछ अच्छा बता रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं.
But whatever folklores that they tell, it does paint a picture in your brain, right?
and it's
just-
relatable to real.
Yeah, and it's just amazing to imagine कि oh fuck क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे. Where are we standing? Like we are part of history is what you feel like, right?
कौन सा अच्छा लगा फोर्ट सबसे बेस्ट?
Oh, I love my Jodhpur fort, Mehrangarh fort.
मेरा
Yeah,
What's the special thing?
that's like I don't know. Like it's really well kept till now, but just the defense mechanisms of that fort was so freaking amazing. Like although all forts have that, like जब
सही
कुछ
बात है.
बनाएंगे
हाँ,
तो
सही करें.
कहाँ छुपना है, कहाँ क्या करना है, ये वो. But this fort in specific used to have these special like जानबूझ के उन्होंने एक कुछ ऐसे धोखा देने वाले sort of entry ways बना रखे
तो
हैं.
जाना है उधर,
हाँ.
मैं नहीं जानता लेकिन
But
जाएंगे. बहुत
उसके
अच्छा
अंदर
लगा
if
सुन
you
के.
go,
हाँ.
you are entering your death only, like because आप आगे जाके खाई में गिरोगे, उसके आगे जाके कुछ हो नहीं है. Like the way they have smartly designed in that era is just amazing to see,
Yes,
and
yes.
even the carvings and everything on the
To
walls,
see the making of that.
so pretty, so beautiful. Making तो बहुत slow होगी उसकी.
यार टाइम मशीन ब्रो.
Because that is पूरा like एक पहाड़ को carve किया हुआ है उन्होंने. That's Mehrangarh Fort. It's one पहाड़ जिसको carve कर करके किला बनाया है उन्होंने.
पूरा एक
पहाड़ को बस.
can't imagine only.
That's why.
अच्छा भी होगा कि नहीं ऐसा लग रहा है, और वो बहुत सुंदर होगा.
No, it's very pretty.
या
It's very,
बट वो
very
एक से कैसे बने अभी मैं वंडरिंग कर रहा हूँ.
उस जमाने में वो भी.
या चलो ठीक है ये सब तो, बट व्हाट्स द वन लाइन यू वांट टू से? एनीथिंग. इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी एंड ऑल, जस्ट यू वांट टू से.
Now I'm not tense. But this is a great conversation. I think we should do this more often.
Okay, buy a car will do.
Huh?
Buy a car.
Buy a car. What is the car ka thing?
Car, Mr. Bean's car, na?
अच्छा,
You do inside that only.
I think Comet is come, no? Comet is sort of like Mr. Bean's car only.
Yeah,
I should
yeah.
go and buy Comet for myself. My size also is fine for that.
Yeah, even you can go for the vintage if you like vintage.
Like Mini Cooper. ये तो पैसे कौन देगा मुझे?
मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ हेल्प करूंगा ना. अभी जैसे मेरे को नहीं पता क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, मेरे को फिर से देखूंगा तो समझ जाएगा. बट बहुत मजा आया, अच्छा लगा आज का दिन, बहुत
बच
अच्छा
से
लगा.
निकल गया.
हाँ, 1 घंटा था.
I know, right?
Yeah. You also feeling the same, na?
Ah, that's what. It was just like two friends sitting and talking.
हाँ, talking.
Yeah.
Very nice conversation, amazing.
But
So-
yeah. And not very often does someone come and ask you about your life, right? I think after years somebody would have asked me about my life.
और खुद से भी क्या ही बोलोगे?
And moreover the friend circle that roams
अरे,
around
कोई
with
बात
you,
नहीं करता भाई, कोई बात नहीं
because वो
करता.
आपको जानते ही इतने टाइम से ना, उनको सब पता होता है आपके बारे में, तो वो एक कुछ नया नहीं पूछेंगे कि वो देखो कोई रिग्रेट है क्या, उनको पता है तुम्हें क्या रिग्रेट है. तो they will not never ask you, and sometimes when a new person asks you that, you also go in that whirlwind of thoughts that oh shit क्या था, क्या है, क्या
सच
नहीं
में ऐसा
है. Like
था.
I said,
और सच में वो जगह अच्छी वहाँ जानी चाहिए, जैसे वो फोर्ट.
but
फिर
definitely.
से जाना चाहिए ऐसा.
I think next year towards year end you plan Rajasthan. It will be fun for you.
This time I'm planning for Goa. Planned.
अब तो वो तो दिसंबर में किया ना
हाँ,
तुमने.
हाँ.
हाँ.
This time for Goa.
This time for Rajasthan you plan. Rajasthan में during this time there's this cultural festival also that happens.
Okay, today is 6th, tomorrow is 7th. 8th is my birthday.
Oh, अभी?
हाँ.
2 दिन बाद?
हाँ, 1 दिन
So
बाद.
nice. हाँ.
कल शाम को मिलते हैं. ठीक है.
Done.
चल.
हाँ. कल ही चलते जोधपुर.
जोधपुर नहीं भाई, यहीं कहीं पर. अभी आई एम प्लानिंग समथिंग.
Okay, cool.
थैंक यू.